So guys, it looks like VeChain is going to be at the World Artificial Intelligence Conference, and according to this article, they're convincing of onboarding new partners at this conference, which would make sense because they have a great technology, and once it gets in front of more people, they're probably going to be all over it. I also have for you guys, coming from Crypto Mike, this book, The Fourth Industrial Revolution by Klaus Schwab, and I wanted to show you guys the chapters in this. It's insane. It goes over just everything that we've been talking about here on the channel, and where we're heading into the future. And we also have this article, so Bitcoin is coiling up for a massive downside movement. Here's why. There's not really much coming out today. Most things coming out are kind of boring. There's nothing that's really groundbreaking. All of the good stuff were honestly in these past 5 videos. If you haven't watched these 5 videos, go watch them. All of them is full of bullish information. Yeah, guys, I couldn't really find much today in terms of a lot of news coming out, but I did find this. I managed to find this about VeChain, so I thought this was pretty cool. But anyways, guys, we're gonna get into it. Make sure you drop this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and let's get into it. So VeChain revealed that it will be attending the World Artificial Intelligence Conference alongside tech giants and bigwigs including Alibaba, Microsoft, Amazon, and others. At the world-leading conference, VeChain will open the first blockchain technology session, delivering a keynote speech on the titled "Blockchainize the Future, Power the Economy." However, VeChain said it will make use of the golden opportunity to showcase its industry-leading blockchain solution to attendees of the conference, adding that it is sure that attendees and VIPs of the event will be glad to listen to its opening speech. The enterprise-focused blockchain company furthered that with the reputation and experience it has garnered in the industry, solving businesses' pain points, it is confident convincing more partners. This year's edition of the WAIC, due to the coronavirus epidemic, is scheduled to be held online from 9th to 11th of July. The conference, which aims at creating a platform where future and present AI innovation startups can exchange resources and ideas, is an initiative of the Shanghai Municipal People's Government. WAIC, since its launch in 2018, has become a grand for technological festivals and meetings, and it has gathered international impact across diverse industries. However, this year's edition of the summit will have top-of-the-line tech enterprises like Microsoft, Amazon, Alibaba, Tencent, Huawei, and more in attendance. So think about that, guys. VeChain has the opening role here, right? They're going to open, and they're opening in front of Amazon, Microsoft, Alibaba, Tencent, Huawei, and whoever else is in there. So think about it. They're all going to have VeChain right in front of their faces. They're going to be able to listen to their presentation. So I guess we'll see, what VeChain really delivers here. If they have a really good, presentation set, then they could really, show people what their technology is all about. And, as people listen to these things, they might all immediately see, oh wait, we could use that here. We could use that here. We could incorporate that into our business over there. And so, people's minds just start working, the ideas start flowing, and that's how partnerships are created. All just basically networking. So, as published by Newslogical, the pioneer developer of decentralized real-world application VeChain was listed among the fastest-growing startups by a prominent and ingenuous SMEs rating agency. It was reported that early metrics concluded that VeChain is one of the fast-growing companies birthing new ideas, after examining and comparing the blockchain's major objectives with the global standard. It is worth mentioning that despite the pandemic, VeChain has succeeded in moving on with the development of its proprietary technology, launching different VeChain-based applications and gaining wide acceptance in the face of the epidemic. A few of the VeChain-based apps include eHCert, MyCare, and eNew Health Life. VeChain remains one of the leading companies developing applications for real-world use case with blockchain tech. VeChain has its tentacles extended to Paris, Luxembourg, San Fran, Shanghai, Hong Kong, and Singapore. So get that, guys. I haven't really seen this anywhere else, and I had to kind of dig on Google a little bit to actually find this. But I think that is insane that they're going to actually be attending this event, and the people that are going to be there at this event. If you're bullish on VeChain, if you're bullish because of this news, make sure you like the video. And guys, keep in mind, it's scheduled to be held online from 9th to 11th of July. So that is coming up. VeChain's price is already pumping, so we might get another pump out of this if this news actually, comes to fruition. Not coming to fruition, but is pushed out. If more people become aware of this, we could see a little retail speculation, a little retail FOMO coming into the market. So yeah, guys, like the video if you're bullish on VeChain, and let's get into this. So check this out, guys. This is from Crypto Mike. So the Fourth Industrial Revolution by Klaus Schwab, who, get this, guys, is the founder and executive chairman of the World Economic Forum. So let's just see some of the chapters in this book. Implantable technologies, our digital presence, vision as the new interface, wearable internet, ubiquitous computing, a supercomputer in your pocket, storage for all, the internet of and for things, the connected home, smart cities, big data for decisions, driverless cars, artificial intelligence and decision making, AI and white collar jobs, robotics and services, Bitcoin in the blockchain, the sharing economy, governments in the blockchain, 3D printing of manufacturing, human health and consumer products, designer beings, which I'm going to have to do some Googling on that, and neurotechnologies. So this is pretty insane, guys. They're basically, I mean, to me, this is like a book about, the playbook of what's coming. I'm probably going to go ahead and order this book. If you guys want a book review, let me know, I guess. But I'm probably going to go and pick this up and just read through it and see what's going on. They basically tell you what's going to happen. They put it out there. It's up to you to research it and find out for yourself. If you guys like daily cryptocurrency news covering Bitcoin, altcoins, crypto as a whole, keeping you up to date, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And the price of Bitcoin today is at 9,000. We have XRP at 17 cents, Cardano at 9 cents. VeChain went on a massive pump, guys. VeChain's at 0.014, almost at 1.5 cents. That is insane. Who would have thought VeChain was going to go on a massive pump like this again? Compound is also up a little bit. It's at 205, up 12% on the day. And our fear and greed index is slipping into fear a little more now. We're finally out of the 40s and we're at 38. So maybe we'll come back into the 40s, but if Bitcoin crashes and it comes down, we're probably gonna get that. Well, we will be getting that fear, and this is what this article covers, which is Bitcoin calling up for a massive downside movement. So I personally, I think we're gonna be coming down from here, but it's just my opinion. I might be completely wrong, and if I'm wrong, it's fine. I'm not doing any type of risky trading. I got a feeling, and based off everything I've seen, we're probably gonna retrace a little bit. So let's go into this and see what it says. So Bitcoin is now inching towards its crucial near-term support at 9,000, with bears placing enough selling pressure on the crypto to jeopardize its consolidation phase. Bitcoin has broken below this level on previous occasions, although each journey into the upper 8,000 area has proven to be short-lived. There now appear to be multiple signs suggesting that Bitcoin is preparing to make a massive downside movement. This move, should it happen in the near term, could pierce a crucial technical support level and kick off a mid-term downtrend. So Bitcoin is now resting just a hair above its range lows at 9K, and buyers are ardently attempting to thwart a decline beneath this level. It is essential to keep in mind that this level has been broken on multiple occasions throughout the past few weeks, but the substantial support in the upper 8,000 region has made these movements fleeting. In the near term, analysts are closely watching Bitcoin's OBV indicator and its Bollinger Bands for insight into where it may move next. Both these indicators suggest further downside is imminent. Bitcoin reaches crucial support level as selling pressure ramps up. So at the time of writing, Bitcoin's 1.5% at its current price of 9,020. Over the past week, the crypto price has been incredibly stable at 9,100, forming a range between 9,000 and 9.3K. The slow descent from 9,100 towards its range lows does appear to be a grim sign for the cryptocurrency's outlook. If support breaks and Bitcoin goes to 8,000, it will be imperative that buyers step in and absorb the selling pressure. One analyst noted that it is currently sitting on its lower Bollinger Band while looking on the 4-hour chart. If the lower band is pierced, we could see some bear market type activity. So Bitcoin pressing lower BB on the 4-hour, he noted while pointing on the chart seen below. And as we can see, this cloud here is starting to kind of converge on itself. We're probably going to come up, come down, but if this continues to tighten, we know what happens when these things tighten and when these things expand, basically price volatility. Other technical indicators seem to be spelling trouble for Bitcoin's near-term outlook. According to another popular analyst, Bitcoin's volume indicator shows that the crypto is poised to see further downside. It says OBV continues to show weakness. If price consolidates for too long at low 9,000s and builds a base, I'll take profit. Otherwise, I'm looking for more downside. So guys, let me know in the comments what you guys think. My personal opinion, I think we're going to see Bitcoin retrace down to at least 7,500 to 8,000 at the very least. And there could also be a massive crash just because of all the economic and geopolitical uncertainty going on right now. That could happen, but at the very least, I think Bitcoin needs a retracement. If you took everything else out of the equation, I do think Bitcoin would still just needs a retracement. It needs a little more time before we can really break out of this macro pattern. But in the comments, guys, let me know what you think. Do you think we're just going to break up and out from here, or do you agree with me? Do you think we're going to retrace a bit before that can happen? Let me know in the comments. I know this was a shorter video today, guys, but I wanted to get a video out nonetheless, so I figured I'll just dig at least some stuff up. I don't want to bring you guys stuff that's not interesting or not relevant. So I wanted to just if I could bring you just a few things, just at least for the day that are relevant. I'm gonna do it, and hopefully tomorrow there's a little more news that comes out. Everything is kind of dry right now, so just not much coming out. But if you guys appreciate the upload, make sure you drop it a like, make sure you subscribe for daily cryptocurrency news, updates, and everything like that. Also, guys, a Discord link in the description. If you guys want to join the Discord, continue the conversation, and be a part of the digital investor community, just go ahead and join. It takes a second. And with that said, hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you all on the next video.